Zola was a zebra unlike any other in the vast, sun-kissed great green plains. Her stripes weren't just black and white, they seemed to shimmer with an inner light, and when she ran, she wasn't just fast, she was a dazzling blur, a streak of pure joy across the savannah. Zola loved her speed. More than that, she loved showing it off. Every morning, as the orange sun stretched across the plains and the herd began their patient journey, Zola would declare, "I'll be there before any of you even blink." And with a playful kick of her heels, she'd bolt. Mama Anya, Zola's mother, was the wisest zebra in the herd. Her stripes were a little faded from many long journeys, and her eyes held the calm wisdom of countless sunrises and sunsets. She would always smile gently at Zola's antics and say, "Zola, my dazzling dash, remember the old saying." One shimmering afternoon, a dry spell had made the usual watering holes low and muddy. A young, anxious giraffe named Gigi whispered about the Sunstone Spring, a hidden oasis deep within the whispering rocks. Zola's ears perked up, eager for adventure. Mama Anya warned, "The whispering rocks are tricky, full of narrow passes and steep climbs. It's a journey best taken with many eyes and many hooves." But Zola, imagining the glory of being the first to find it, didn't really hear. She galloped away, a lone streak against the savannah. Zola ran faster than ever before, leaving the herd far behind. The plains blurred beneath her hooves, and the wind sang a wild song in her ears. She felt truly alive, truly free. But as she ran, the landscape began to twist and turn into towering rock formations. Zola pressed on, determined. Just a little further, she panted, her powerful legs beginning to ache. The heat was stifling, reflecting off the red rock. She was so focused on finding the spring that she missed the subtle signs the herd would have noticed. Suddenly, her front hoof slipped. The ground beneath her gave way with a sickening crunch. Zola tumbled forward, sliding down a short, rocky slope, landing hard at the bottom. Her leg was twisted beneath her, and a sharp, agonizing pain shot through her. She was trapped in a narrow, rocky crevice, too deep to climb out of, too narrow to turn around in. Panic, cold and sharp, pierced through her. She was stuck. And she was utterly, completely alone. No one knew where she was. No one could hear her frightened whinnies. Just as the first stars began to prickle the deepening sky, a faint, rhythmic sound reached Zola's ears. It was the familiar, steady thud-thud-thud of many hooves, moving in unison. And then, a voice, filled with gentle concern, "Zola, are you out there, my dazzling one?" The herd quickly fanned out around the crevice where Zola was trapped. While Zola had gone fast, they had gone far, navigating the tricky terrain with shared knowledge, calling out warnings about loose rocks, and relying on each other's keen senses to avoid dangers. It took many strong zebras working together to free Zola. Old Papa Striker found a stable ledge. Young Keto snaked along, sturdy vine down into the crevice. Others gently pulled and guided, while more kept a watchful eye out for any predators drawn by the commotion. Finally, Zola's leg was freed. She limped a little, but she was safe, warm, and surrounded by the comforting presence of her family. She looked at Mama Anya, whose eyes held no judgment, only love. She saw their unity, their strength from shared effort and mutual care. I went so fast," Zola whispered, her head bowed in shame and gratitude. "But I got stuck, and I was so alone. You went together, and you found me. You went far." Mama Anya gently nudged Zola's flank, explaining the importance of moving as a herd. From that pivotal day, Zola still loved to run, and she remained the dazzlingly fast zebra of the Great Green Plains. But now, she understood the profound meaning of going far. She learned to use her speed to scout ahead for the herd and to offer her own unique strengths. Every evening, as the stars twinkled over the savannah, you could see Zola, no longer running alone, but a vibrant part of the moving, breathing tapestry of stripes, gracefully flowing across the plains with her beloved herd, going fast and going far, together. Please subscribe. Bye.